Hey everyone, this is Vicki with Vicki's Tigger Tales. Welcome to my channel where we swap, unbox, and talk all things Disney. This is my second to the last year of the ear exchange. It is a monthly swap hosted by the SisketEars. It's been 5 years running, y'all, and I joined a little late into the first year. I think it was June or July, and it has made an incredible run. This is going to be the last year. I have this month and I believe November, if I remember right, that I'm going to be involved in, and then that's it. I can't believe it's actually going to be ending. It seems like this was one that was going to go on forever. But it was because it was so much fun. I got my box today. It says September's Year of the Ear, and the theme was called Transitions. So the premise of the suggestion was anything that was transforming. So it could be in red. It could be Maleficent from dragon to her fairy form or fae form. Could be Cinderella's transformation from Cinderella to the princess. It could be, I mean, the possibilities were endless. There were so many different things that you could actually do the ears on, and it is creator's choice. So whoever my creator is was able to choose whatever they wanted to make, or we are also able to buy from a small shop. No park ears were ever allowed, and send them to our person. So I received my ears, like I said, today. I cut the box open, but I have not taken anything out. I see this nice beautiful purple paper and a card on top, so I'm going to grab this real quick. And it's got a sticker on the back. Ooh, it's a Frozen sticker on the back. Very cool. And oh, how cute. The card is a whole bunch of dogs. I love it. Very cute. Let's see who. Ooh, I just dropped a sticker. Oh, and it's Cinderella sticker. Oh, it's, hang on, let me see if I can reach it. Sorry. Okay. Cute little sticker. Let's see if there's any other in here. Oh, yep, there sure is. Here is Alice in Wonderland and Tweedledee, Tweedledum, as well as, this is beautiful, Snow White. Very pretty. Love that. It says, "Hi Vicki, I've kept changing my mind on what to create for this theme, but I finally settled on this idea. It's amazing that a single kiss can cause such a big transformation. I hope you like the ears. Lauren, Once Upon a Wonder." Very cool. All of the channels that participated will be linked in the description below. A kiss. I'm thinking Tiana is who I'm thinking, and Naveen. So if it's Tiana and Naveen in frog form, awesome. Yeah, it looks like it might be. Oh my goodness. Okay. How fun. I always love the ear. People get so creative with, ooh, these are pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think I'm looking at the back side. Backside of water. Look what I see. How cool. And then these, they're like push pins. They're metal. Or are they plastic or metal? Gorgeous. And then look on the front, they've got this really pretty bow that kind of looks like her dress, but so pretty. Typically we wear the ears that we had received previously, and then switch them out. Honestly, I can't tell you when the last time it was that I actually was in this, and what, I really can't remember. and what the theme was. So I'm sorry to the person who sent me who were expecting to see the ears today, because I honestly can't remember which one it was. And these are so cool. Oh, I love the material, and that bow is so cool. This trim though, wow. Oh, and look, oh, okay, I didn't even see this before. Do you see in the middle? There are frogs, little tiny frogs in the middle of the band. Oh, that is cute. Oh my goodness, I love this. So yeah, who could have guessed that a kiss could transform? This is a great transformation pair of ears. Absolutely adore them. Check down everybody down below. Like, comment, subscribe. If you were to make a pair of transformation ears, what would you do? I want to know in the comments. So tell me all about it, and don't forget to check out everybody's videos. There's going to be some fantastic videos down below. I am sure of it. It amazes me every month at the creativity of all these creators. Thank you so much for watching, and ta-ta for now.